All right, 3 boxes. Here we go. 1 through 10. We got box number 1. Up on the top. Box number 8. This one right here. And box number 7. Just the box right on top. So those 2 right there. And the top one. All right. No trades. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Buena suerte. Box number 1. First autograph of the break. 57 of 149, Nathan Peterman. The AFC East. And KJ Fowler. Is the voice still behind? Is it lagging? Tyler Eifert for the Bengals and the AFC North. 2 of 99.
So my efforts to establish diplomatic relations with the cactus people were doomed from the start.
Boom skitty. Yeah, Dante Foreman and Donald Pumphrey, sorry, for the Eagles, NFC East. Le'Veon Bell, NFC North. Or AFC North, sorry. AJ Green, AFC North. Man, that AFC North is killing it. Autograph, Justin Smith. Or Jonnu Smith, sorry, for the Titans. 110 of 149. You'll have to remind me what division Titans are in. I know it's South, right? They all waited for you to leave. Ezekiel Elliott, elimination. And Curtis Samuel for the Panthers. Same South Division. I just don't remember which one. 81 of 99. AFC South for the Titans. And then NFC for the Panthers, right? NFC South. We got NFC South again. Taylor Gabriel for the Falcons. 149 of 275. Uh-oh. AFC North has gone blank. Jared Goff for the NFC West. Cracked ice. 24 of 75. Franco Harris. And we got Shelton Gibson for the NFC East. Out of this box. Jamal Williams. Day Westbrook. 182 of 275. Can't remember what division that.
What smells like methane?
For Pops. And Doug Baldwin for the Seahawks. NFC West, 16 of 149.
Wednesdays at 10:30.
You want to know just how much respect Big Tobacco has for you as a military? You don't need to look any further than their own internal documents.
Another day in paradise. Malachi Dupree for the NFC North. And a William Freeman base auto. Barry Sanders. Gary and Conley for the Raiders. AFC West.
Plunging V-neck. Plunging. He looks like
If you can get Biggie Friday Mr. Right, Biggie with your TV. Get a la carte TV only for a sling. Start at $20.
Ezekiel Elliott again. Illumination. So we got Brad Kaya for the Lions. 68 of 199. NFC North. Tariq Cohen. NFC North. William Freeman.
Can you make this cake for my daughter's birthday?
Laquan Treadwell. NFC North. 181 of 199. Jamal Williams. Cracked ice. Marlon Humphrey for the Ravens. AFC North. 43 of 75. Getting to know you. Thomas Rawls for the AFC West. Or NFC West, sorry. 107 of 189. Darius Hayward Bay for the Steelers. 10 of 49. AFC North. AFC North killing it with the numbered cards. Marshawn Lattimore for the Saints. NFC South. DJ KB. Stephon Diggs for the Vikings. 114 of 275. NFC North. The dice picked these boxes. Ezekiel for the NFC West. Ooh, V21. 8 of 25. On Ezekiel camouflage. And Tyreek Hill for the Chiefs. AFC West, Jersey G-Man, 29 of 75. NFC East, sorry. Kirk Cousins, NFC East. 86 of 99. Box number 3. Oh man, the next 7 boxes. I didn't do that on purpose. Tony Dorsett, and we got Marlon Humphrey for the Ravens. AFC East. North, sorry. 29 of 99. You can. They got some exclusive Australian ones coming out that we can't get. Matthew Stafford for the Lions, NFC North. Charles Harris for the Dolphinos. AFC East. AFC East is Kevin. Marcus Mariota for the AFC South. 65 of 99. Carson Palmer for the NFC West. 42 of 49. Corey Davis. Raekwon McMillan for the Dolphinos out of 275. And Joe Montana, DeMarcus Walker for the Broncos, AFC West. That is Jersey G, man. Curling Funkos, those would be great. Alex Smith for the Chiefs, AFC West. Rise up. TJ Logan, NFC West, 52 of 199. Justin Houston, AFC West, 56 of 275. Thomas Rawls for the Seahawks again.
You can't hunt a Yeti by yourself, sir. It's suicidal. So what?
And 3 of 5 for the AFC West.
You're a loyal friend. Friend? But I'm doomed.
Only 5 in the world.
Then you'll need someone to dissect it, friend. Go, Johnny, go! That's an order. Never. Zoidberg doesn't abandon a friend, apparently.
Goes to the National League Central. Jesus Christ, focus on the damn card, why don't you? AFC North Chiefs. There it is.
The time has come, my friend. We have to talk about
Very nice, cool.
Oh no.
And again, everyone.